That's the update for today, guys. The Canlaon volcano. Smoky mouth. As you can see, there's the side. That's the Canlaon Mount volcano, Mount and Smoky Mouth. And her side, it's a very nice view. That's for today. But kanina guys, ano yan? It's very